My name is the Poonam Muzmali. I am the student of Bresang Institute. Today topic is on cell. Definition of the cell. Cells is the basic structural and functional unit of living organism. Cell it is a tiny membrane bounded structure that contains the fundamental components necessary for life. Cells are a building block of tissue, organ, system that make up the human body. uh, what the cell structure? Cell is consist of several organelles, each with the unique function. First of all, first is the plasma membrane, the outermost layer of the cell, and it is separating the cell from its environment. It is a semi permeable, and its membrane is allowing some certain substances to pass through. Second is the cytoplasm. It is a jelly like substance inside the cell membrane, in this containing various organelles, proteins, and other molecules. In this third is the nucleus, the control center of the cell, containing the most of the cell's genetic material, that is the DNA. And fourth of is the mitochondria. Mitochondria, it is the powerhouse of the cell, and it is responsible for generating energy, ATP, through cellular respiration. For second is the next is the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, it is a membranous, tubulous, and crystalline inulin protein synthesis folding a transport. And ribosome, it is a small organelle found throughout the cytoplasm, and it is responsible for protein synthesis. And lysosome, ribosome, it is a member containing more it is responsible for cellular digestion and recycling. Next is the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus, it is a flat sac and tubule. It is involved in protein modification, sorting, and packaging. Next is the cytoskeleton. It is a network of protein filaments, microtubules, microfilaments, and intermediate filaments, providing the support, shape, and movement to the cell. Then coming to the next, it is a cell function. Cell perform a various function and necessary for life. First of all, metabolism. Cell convert energy from nutrients into a cellular components, such protein, carbohydrate, and lipids. So next is the growth and division. Cell growth and replicate their DNA and divide into produce a new cell. And next is the response to stimuli. Cell response to change in their environment, such as light, temperature, and chemical. So fourth of all is the communication. In this communication, cell communicate with each other through a signaling pathway, and it's regulating various cellular processes. So next is the transport. Cell transport a molecule across their membrane, and maintaining a proper ion balances, and regulating the movement of the substances. Then in this there are many types, cell types. In there are 200 different cell types in human body, each with unique structure and function. So first is the stem cell. Stem cell, it is a undifferentiated cell that can differentiate into a various cell type, just like nerve cell. It means neurons. Neurons, it is a specialized cell that transmit and process information through electrical and chemical signal. Third is the muscle cell. Muscle cells is a contractile cell that produce a movement and maintain a posture. Fourth is the epithelial cell, the cell that form the lining of organs, glands, and other body surface. In the blood cell that regulate in the blood and including blood cells, white bloods, or and platelet. Cell cycle. In the cell cycle, it is a sequence of the event occur in the cell, leading to its function, leading to its division and its replication. So in this cell division there are many phases. First is the interphase. So the interphase, it is the longest stage of the cell cycle, during which the cell's growth, replicates DNA and prepare for cell division. Next is the prophase, the stage where the chromatin condenses and nuclear envelope breakdown. Third is the metaphase. In this metaphase stage, where the chromosome align at the center of the cell. And in next is the anaphase. So the anaphase stage, where the sister chromatid separated and move to the opposite pole of the cell. So next is the telophase. In telophase phase, the stage where the nuclear envelope reform and a chromosome uncoil. And next is the cytokinesis. The final, this is the final stage where the cytoplasm divided and the cell split into a two daughter cell.